If you see my previous videos, you know that I'm waiting for computer parts. And so far, we only had 2 parts right now. And I wanted to make another video because, I have never done an unboxing before. And this is exactly what we're going to do right now. So this is my work setup, my little office, and this is what we're going to be unboxing. So stay tuned and let's get our first unboxing here on this channel. All right, so we are now back behind the computer, and it's very hard for you to go wrong in buying a cooler when it comes down to building your gaming PC. Because right now, at the end of 2025 to the beginning of 2026, I don't think there are many bad options. What it can happen is that either your cooler is not compatible or it doesn't fit your case. The whole reason why I bought this cooler was because it is the same brand as my case, and I was able to see exactly how it looks on the website, and I know exactly how it's going to look, and it's created to fit that case, which is the H9 something something whatever. So anyways, let's start the unboxing. This is going to be quite interesting because I've never done an unboxing before, and I don't have the top-down thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to improvise, guys. Come on, we're going to improvise. So I'm just going to turn my desktop here, and I'm sure you're going to be able to see it. So here, hopefully, okay, let's do it this way. I think I know I'm going to have to improve on this sometime in the future. Let me move my keyboard out of the way, and let me just go it. So yeah, like I was saying earlier before, is the fact that I don't think there's bad choices as more as there is the wrong choice when it comes down to buying a cooler. Because at the end of the day, you have two things that you have to worry about. It's either does it fit the case? Do you like how it looks? And does it work with your motherboard? Because at the end of the day, this is literally just cooling your computer. So where does this open? All right, so we're gonna open here, and it should open up. Ooh. Now, the rest of my parts, I should be getting the rest of my part by Thursday. And hopefully this weekend, I'll be able to kind of have a video of going, building the whole thing. I'm going to have a couple of friends helping me because as you can see, I don't have the setup for this stuff. Anyways, this is the menu. Nothing crazy. Okay, this is just filling. Ooh, I've never, I'll be honest, man. Last time I built a PC, coolers didn't look this good. Like, holy moly. All right, let's see what I can. All right, let me just remove this first. All right. So we have one of the fans. One thing that I've seen is the fact that I've seen some YouTubers having a fan. This fan goes underneath, and I have seen other YouTubers putting another fan on top of the radiator. I don't know. That might be an overkill, and I don't think we're going to be using our computer so extensively to actually justify having two fans. And for the record, for those of you who haven't seen my previous video, this is the, if you can see it here, this is the case that I have. Well, you can, oh man, yeah, it's the H9 Flow, the latest one, 2025, because I heard that the previous one had some issues. I don't know what issues were those, but it is what it is. Hopefully my dogs is not gonna get it. All right, let me get the moving parts. So let me see if I can take it out real quick so you can see it. I have two little things here, and this is because from what AMD and Intel has two different mountings, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of them. Oh yeah, this is the Intel bracket, and I'm assuming the other bracket. Oh yeah, because the motherboard that I'm buying is AMD, so automatically brings that. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, there's another bracket here. Disregard what I said earlier. All right, let's get back to the nice stuff. Damn, wow, this looks nice. All right. All right. Oh, Jesus. Wait, did I? Okay, okay, we have to cover that. Look at this, man. That looks so nice. This came off. Let me make sure I don't put my fingers in there. Let me just close it real quick. Bro, I have not seen a coder like this before. I mean, I've seen it in person, but in other, you know, on YouTube and such, but this is legit. This is more other parts that you can use it down the line. These are whatchamacallit. This is the, screws. All right, let me put this here. And now let me put it on the floor. All right, right now. Ooh, let me get it on the floor. And yeah, this looks so nice, man. Looks so premium, man. I'm not gonna lie. So this is how it looks from this side. This is how it looks from the other side. Now this is the screen, and this would technically, let me just show you real quick. This would technically, let me not move this too much because I don't want to break it or something like that. This would go like this somehow, like that. This will go on top, and this will go right here. Wow. Let me just have it here. Yeah, so, and then we have here a connection. That's the connection. It's gonna be, yeah. If I'm gonna be unboxing things and getting more computer parts or other things, I assume I should invest in one of those like top-down arms. Yeah, man, it's super nice. But where's the RGB light? Because, wait, give me a second. I don't see no RGB light. Is this forced advertisement? Because right now, if you see it here, oh wait, no, never mind. I know where it is. It's not forced advertisement. I was looking for this light, but of course the light is on. That's on the. Yeah, that makes sense. The RGB light is definitely, yeah, it's right here. I see it. Yeah, that's the RGB lights and inside. It wouldn't make sense to put the RGB lights in the radiator itself because, it's a radiator, it's a metal. So that makes sense. This is the parts. I'm going to take some pictures now. For those of you who wants to see all the components in different images, I'm writing a blog in betacoding.com where you're going to have every single part taking a picture. So when you buy it or you're interested in buying it, you know exactly what you're getting and you know exactly what is inside the box. So you'll be able to see what's inside the box to make sure that you make the right decision to see if this actually fits inside your case. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for staying, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Right now it's almost midnight here, so good night, guys, and thank you for staying. Peace.